How we doing, guys? As you can probably tell from the title, today we'll be installing a GKTech clutch fan on the 180sx. Now there's two ways of doing this. There's an easy way and there's a hard way. The hard way, I've seen people, they actually loosen off the alternator and take off the clutch fan hub itself. Don't really want to do that when I can do it the easy way, which is what I'm going to show you guys how to do. And we're leaving all that sort of stuff on. We're only removing two parts, one being the fan and two being the fan shroud. Before we dive into the install, I actually want to just do a quick side-by-side comparison of the factory fan and this GKTech fan, which apparently has 60% more airflow. So let's see how it goes. So straight away, you can obviously tell the GKTech fan has a lot more fins on it as opposed to the factory fan, and each fin on the GKTech fan is evenly spaced. I'm not too sure as the reason why the Nissan engineers felt the need to unevenly space these fins on the factory fan, but then again, that might be the reason why this GKTech fan is light years ahead of it. Also too, just quickly, I chucked a tape measure on this GKTech fan, and each fin is actually 10mm longer than the factory fins. That again might play its part in the reason why it has 6% more airflow. Also too, I did chuck a quick tape measure over this GKTech fan, and the fins on it are 10mm longer than the factory fins, and also too, the fins are 50mm wide as opposed to 80mm wide on the factory fin. Okay, so this part is a little bit tricky, but it's going to save a ton of time. What you're going to want to do is grab your shroud, get your fan, make sure that it has the label front facing towards you, duck the fan inside like that, and you'll want to lower both the fan and the shroud down into place. So after you get past that step, all you got to do is go around and put the 4 bolts into the fan hub through the fan, and you're good to go.